Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to switch profiles on Amazon Prime Video. This is particularly useful if you share your account with family members and want to keep your watch history and recommendations separate from theirs. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you've signed in, direct your attention to the top toolbar where you'll find various navigation options. Look for Prime Video and click on it. Alternatively, if you prefer a more direct route, you can simply open Prime Video directly in your web browser by typing it into the address bar. Now that you're in Prime Video, shift your focus to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice your profile icon sitting there. Hover your mouse over this icon and a menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Manage Profiles. This section is where all the magic happens. It's your control center for creating, editing, and switching between different user profiles on your account. Once you click Manage Profiles, you'll be taken to a page displaying all the profiles currently set up on your Amazon Prime Video account. You'll see each profile represented with its own icon and name. This makes it easy to identify which profile belongs to whom. To switch to a different profile, simply click on the profile you want to use. The platform will immediately switch over, and you'll now be viewing Prime Video through that specific profile's lens. And there you have it. You've successfully switched profiles on Amazon Prime Video. Each profile will now show content recommendations, continue watching lists, and viewing history tailored specifically to that user. This makes sharing an account much more organized and personalized for everyone involved. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.